Hey fam, it's the Brazen Goddess. I'm back with another video, and I just want to touch on a topic that I think we discuss a lot, but it's kind of inconclusive, and that is, does breastfeeding actually help you to lose baby weight? Because everybody's trying to lose that baby weight, get that snapback immediately after we have a baby, right? Usually, people will tell you that one of the things that you can do is breastfeed. And I think that it's kind of controversial. One, because, breastfeeding is something that burns calories, and that's a scientific proven fact. Oh, there's my baby. But also, it's something that causes you to be like supernaturally hungry. Like crave more calories because your body is like, you are not going to stop feeding this child. Let me let you know that. So you are, always hungry. So I would say the answer to that question is no. Breastfeeding does not make you lose weight. And the reason why I say that is because it's something that's just like exercise. It does burn calories. Let me make sure I'm looking at the right thing. It does burn calories, just like exercise, but if you're still eating more calories than you're burning, you will not lose weight. If you are eating about the same or less calories than you are burning, you will lose weight. So, usually they say that if you're breastfeeding your child, let's say 8 times a day, or I guess around that amount per day, depending on the size of your child and the age of your child, then you will burn about 500 calories. So if you are trying to track, your calories or your macros or whatever it is, you need to know how much to subtract or how much to add. You want to look at that. So let's say if you are trying to lose weight, and just at your regular weight, what would be prescribed to you, or what somebody would tell you to eat, will be around 1,400 calories, let's say, or 1,600 calories. Then you would add 500 calories on, as to keep that breast milk flowing, basically. So you would then be taking in 500 extra calories on top of that amount. So that's something to keep in mind. I have just experienced the hunger. I haven't experienced losing weight because of breastfeeding. I've actually experienced gaining weight because of breastfeeding. But I think I'm gonna have a different experience this time because I've dropped a lot of weight since I've had the baby. So we'll talk about that in another video. But I just wanted to talk about that topic because people are always saying, well, you're breastfeeding, so you're going to lose a lot of weight. I'm like, that's not been my experience. So comment below your experience. Have you lost weight with breastfeeding, or have you gained weight? And did it make you supernaturally hungry to the point of being hangry on the regular? Or did it make you, just lose weight and look great and look better than you did before you ever had the baby? So let me know your experience. Let me know any future topics that you want to just talk about and discuss, and I will see you on my next video. Peace.